Alright, welcome to another episode of Ali Terror's Web Show. Anyway, I just ran up the stairs. Give me a minute. Okay, so, I don't know if any of you have, Brain Age 2. But, one time, I was done with my brain age test. And then, it was like, your brain age is 79. And for those of you who know, like, brain age 2, 20 is the ideal one. And I just went from, so according to my thoughts right then, I went from like 34 or like 31 or something to 79. And I like flipped out. I was like, whoa, that is not my brain age. No, not even. There must be something wrong. And then it's like, oh, this freaking Ryuta Kawashima, that's his name. It says it like in the credits. Like this freaking Ryuta Kawashima is like, oh, I made a mistake. It's 31. And I'm like, why? Why would you do that to me? And then he's like, yeah, I made a mistake. Like, how can you make a mistake? You're a computer. Computers are inhuman, and mistakes are human. Just doesn't make any sense. And it made me flip out because I thought that my brain age was like 79. Yeah, my ears are lopsided. Anyway, yeah. So, that was a big scare for me. Did I mention my paper airplane? Like in episode, the last one? So perfect. I still have it here from like yesterday. So great. This is like the most delicious, delightful ice cream ever. I'm like eating it straight out of the carton like a fatty. You know. I'm not supposed to, but you know, some rules have to be broken. Oh, look, my Biffle Alex just up. Alright, well, I'll see you later. And this is my DS, by the way. I'm a Legend of Zelda geek, so I have, like, Zelda in it. Yeah. Well, I think I'm over the time limit for videos, so ta-ta.